This is the second how-to video for applying to childcare subsidy. It will review how to upload your documents through the childcare subsidy portal. If you would like information on how to create the portal for the childcare subsidy application, you can see that on the first how-to video.
Okay, and if you would like to upload your documents after you have completed step 1, when you sign back into your parent portal, you can click on step 2 for child care fee subsidy document upload. If you completed step 1, there may not be a button for step 1 any longer, and you will only have the option for step 2. It will then take you to the file upload page. So there is some important information to review here. All documents must be submitted within 30 days of submitting your application, and all documents must be received before you will be contacted to schedule your eligibility appointment. It's important that all of the documents you upload are in separate files. And once you have uploaded a file, you can see the status of it right over here on the file statuses. When you first completed the upload, your file status will show as pending. And once it has been reviewed by a child care subsidy intake case aide, then they will update the status to either accepted or declined. If your document shows decline, then you can email CCS at Region of Waterloo for more information. Okay, finally, the types of files that are allowed are JPEG, PDF, and a few other picture files, and the maximum size of a file is 4 megabytes. If you are having any trouble resizing or uploading your documents, you are welcome to come into one of the welcome spaces with the Region of Waterloo, and a navigator can assist you with this. So to upload a document from your computer, you click on the Select Files button. This will then open up a page that will show what is available on your computer. And you can click one document at a time to upload. You click on the document you'd like and click open. And you can see down here that the file has uploaded successfully. It is now showing that it is in a pending state. Again, to upload your next document, click Select Files and find the document that you need. Once you have uploaded all of your documents, there is no further steps from this point as long as they are showing a pending status. You can sign in afterwards to see if it has been received by the Child Care Subsidy Office, and it will either show an accepted or a declined status once it's been reviewed. If you have uploaded a document that you would like to remove from your application, you can do so if it's in a pending status by clicking the X. You will then get an update that says, would you like to delete this file? And it can be removed at this time. And that is the end of how to upload documents for your child care subsidy application.